If your Tacoma is equipped with a panoramic view monitor and/or multi-terrain monitor, you will be provided with additional visual assistance with the help of cameras placed around the vehicle. When driving slowly or parking, the touchscreen display on Tacomas equipped with a panoramic view monitor will show an overhead view of your vehicle as well as a forward-facing view. You can change the angle or zoom in by tapping either display on the touchscreen. You can even keep an eye on your cargo. Putting the vehicle into reverse will change the forward-facing view to a view of the rear with visual guidelines on the screen to help guide you. If you are not automatically presented with the panoramic view monitor when parking or reversing, you can pull it up on demand when driving at low speeds by hitting the View button on the center console. To really make this feature your own, you can change the color of the vehicle in the panoramic view monitor to match your Tacoma. When in park, push the View button to be presented with a 3D 360-degree view of your vehicle. From there, tap the gear icon on the bottom right of the display and select the color you wish to see. Select Tacoma grades offer an available or standard multi-terrain monitor, or MTM for short. Like the panoramic view monitor, cameras are placed around the vehicle for added visibility but angled lower to focus on tougher terrain. To access MTM, tap the MTM option from the panoramic view monitor. Since MTM is designed to help navigate uneven ground, it will not display an overhead 360 view of your surroundings. Instead, it will display a combination of views from the front, rear, sides, and under the vehicle. It even displays the angles at which the vehicle is tilted. Once your vehicle picks up speed, both MTM and the panoramic view monitor will turn off, and you will be returned to the view you last had on your touchscreen display.
Oh, oh, oh.